One sunny morning, Chinu and Chikoo decided to plant a garden. Let's grow yummy carrots and crunchy nuts too. They found a patch of soil and began digging, but soon they noticed something strange. The soil was dry and hard. Oh no! Plants need soft soil and water to grow. Let's make the soil happy. So they loosened the soil with their tiny paws, added water from a nearby stream, planted seeds carefully in neat rows. Every day they checked the garden. They sang to the seeds, gave them water. Dig the soil soft and deep, soft and deep, soft and deep. Pat the mud, don't take a peek. Garden grows and garden glows. Happy rose, happy rose. Water, sunshine, love bestows. Slowly, green shoots popped up. Green shoots pop up from the ground, from the ground, from the ground. Sing our songs and look around. Carrots grew tall and orange nuts ripened on little bushes. Chinu and Chikoo clapped with joy. We did it! Our garden is alive! Garden grows and garden glows. Happy rose, happy rose. Water, sunshine, love bestows. We did it! Woo-hoo! What? Moral of the story: plants, like friends, grow strong when we care for them every day. With patience, love, and teamwork, small efforts bring big rewards.